my loves. This is the second part of the video. This is the Model 1. So right here I got some number 29. I'm using both glitters. I don't know why I had the rhinestones out. I think I forgot. I didn't even use the rhinestones, you guys. So don't pay attention to that. I don't think I needed it anyway. So right here I'm applying the glitter number 1. I'm applying on the clear one. I think I did like 3 coats of these, you guys. Like really thin coats. I really wanted that glitter to build up. You might have noticed in my nails that I did something that I was not supposed to do. Like when I was filing and buffing them, whatever. To like file them down. Because I'm going to put the builder gel on top of them. I kind of was a little too rough, so the polygel started lifting. And that was my fault. It wasn't the polygel's fault, so don't think the polygel don't work, but it really does. It's just that if you file too hard, it will make the polygel pop up. So yeah, so right here I'm just applying these glitters. These are big pieces of glitters, you guys, and they're holographic, I believe, and they're so pretty, you guys. I did a video on these, so I think it's the video 2 videos before that. Check it out. It was a Christmas stamper plate set. I just had to use it again on my actual nails. So right here I'm just super excited because you can see the colors have changed too. It's like very holographic. I made sure to put this at the normal speed so you guys can see what I'm actually doing. I feel like I should do my nails more and show you guys and the designs and stuff I do. What do you guys think? Let me know. So right here I'm just applying you can see the little white pieces of glitter. I'll try to make it look like it's like snow basically. I think that's what I was going for, so I'm just putting a whole bunch on the nail. And at the tip of my nail I kind of like messed up. I think I added too much alcohol, so it's kind of like cloudy, but I guess that's okay since I was kind of going for this nail to be like the snow effect, so I guess it all worked out for me. So right here, I'm using the Builder gel. I'm just applying a thin layer. You can see the stuff wasn't sticking. So this is where I kind of made my mistake. I should have put the glitter on while the gel polish was still wet. Yes, I had to try to put the foil glue on, but that didn't really work out. You see, it didn't really stick like it should have because the glitters are like kind of thick and it's like kind of hard to lay down. So I was just trying to have a what's it called? I forgot what it's called when you do this. You put a thin layer on so the Builder gel will glide down easier, and it's less work for you to do when you do your nails. So I'm like kind of new to this, you guys, so don't be judgy over here. I'm getting new. It's some I can't even talk right. This Builder gel, I'm new to the game. It's new to me, so yeah. I wanted to try it out because it has no smell. It's not monomer. It's not acrylic, you know. And I heard that it's clearer than acrylic, basically, like it's crystal clear. So I was like, I want to try it. I'm gonna have to learn it when I start school anyway. So the school that I want to go to, I haven't been there yet, but I'm hoping when I go there and do a walkthrough, I love it because the reviews I read and everything, like out of all the schools where I live at, it's like the best school to go to, and I haven't seen no complaints about the teachers or anything, and the training, and it's like very hands-on. They teach you a whole lot that other schools don't, because you know most schools just teach you the basics, I believe. So right here I'm just wiping off that little sticky layer that comes off with the Builder gel, and right here I'm just using the solid gel from Modelones. I'm using like that pink one. I decided it'd be a little different for Christmas, a different kind of color. You know, I just want to see how it looks and what it's all about. So don't mind my painting job because I'm horrible, you guys, I tell you. So my battery died and I'm so sorry. I wanted to show you guys what I actually did, but these are how the nails turned out. My middle finger, oh, that's another story. You guys will see it in the video, like towards the end. It's almost over. So right here I'm just putting the top coat on. I'm trying to just put it on each nail. Who I seen do that? I seen Nail by Nikki do it, but she seen the guys from Young Nails. They did it when she went to the nail show in Orlando, I believe. Because you know, the gel, it kind of bleeds into the cuticles and the sides and everything. So with this, you have the perfect amount of top coat, and it won't be too much, and it won't flood your cuticles, and you be mad, and your nails will lift and all kind of stuff. Very frustrating. So with my thumb, not my thumb, but my index finger, I feel like I kind of put too much, but you guys didn't see the stickers, not the stickers, but the glitters did not stick like I wanted them to, and they kind of got into the top layer of the Builder gel, so I couldn't really file like I wanted to, which kind of sucked because then it would have took everything off. But you know, you live and you learn. So right here, this is Kira's top coat. I decided to apply another coat, just for the simple fact that I filed a little too far on some of the stuff because of the stuff didn't lay right and didn't stick when I cured it. So I wanted to make sure it was protected, because the first coat I could kind of feel the glitter like sticking out a little bit. See, I want to apply a top coat. I think I'm using Beetle's top coat. I really think I am. Because you see that shine, y'all? Like, oh my gosh, so beautiful. It's either Beetle's or Emily. I couldn't really tell you. But I'm thinking it's Beetle's. As you can see how the nail kind of is a little different. How it's kind of off towards the left side. like it goes down more. So here's the finished product, you guys. I'm putting on some oil, some cuticle oil. It's the cuticle oil got from Nail by Nikki. Check her out on YouTube and Instagram, you guys. She got some really good videos. This cuticle oil, it smells so bomb, you guys. It like really, really works. I was using it for a while and it was really, really helping. And then I think I got sick or something and it kind of just threw me all completely off and I haven't been using it. But yeah, I want to show you guys what it looked like. Different kind of lights and stuff. But I'll post a little video on my Instagram of showing it in the dark and everything because I don't have it. Unfortunately, it's on my phone and my phone's tripping right now. But if I'm able to, I would add it to the end of the video, or I might add it right here. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I swear, every time I want to hear my yawning. I work in retail, you guys. It really got me doing a lot. So you see my middle finger? You see my index finger has a curve. The middle finger, I kind of filed a little too much, so that stiletto looks kind of funny. But that's the only thing I don't like about my nails. But other than that, I think I did pretty good. I was trying to do different shapes on each nail, as you can see. This was how they turned out. But tell me which nail you guys like the most. Alright, you guys, talk to you later. Bye. Oh, one more thing I didn't say about the nails. So for my ring finger and my thumb, I added both colors of the glitter, and for my pinky it was just the silver. Yeah, just want to tell you guys that. All right, talk to you later, loves. Bye.